नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप सबका अनबु विजी विद्याधारा चैनल पर। वेलकम टू यू ऑल इन अनबु विजी विद्याधारा चैनल. So today in this video I am going to take NCERT syllabus grade 10 lesson 10 नेताजी का चश्मा. Let us go into the lesson. नेताजी का चश्मा. Actually this is a lesson regarding the patriotism towards the country. So a person had a great patriotism in this story, actually written by Swayam Prakash. We all have a patriotism in us, isn't it? Doing a small thing is also a patriotism. Avoiding plastic is also a patriotism. Cleaning your area is also a patriotism. See, we all have patriotism in us, okay? This is not necessary to do a big job to show a patriotism. Doing a small thing also shows a patriotism towards our country. So, this is a lesson regarding the patriotism. Let us go into the lesson. So, ये है स्वयं प्रकाश जी. इन्होंने ही लिखा है नेताजी का चश्मा लेसन. So he is also have a great patriotism. So let us know about him. Okay. स्वयं प्रकाश इनका है ये छोटा सा जीवनी. I have given a small introduction about स्वयं प्रकाश. Okay. इनका जन्म सन 1947 में मध्य प्रदेश में हुआ. He born in 1947 in Madhya Pradesh. And his शिक्षा और नौकरी. शिक्षा is a education and नौकरी is a job. इन्होंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग पास किया. He had passed mechanical engineering and he had a job in Rajasthan. He got a job in Rajasthan and he had been appointed as a औद्योगिक प्रतिष्ठान, means a औद्योगिक industrial area. Okay, he has been appointed as a industrial enterprises area and he worked over Rajasthan. Most of his time he has spent in Rajasthan. Then बाद में वे भोपाल में वसुधा पत्रिका के संपादन रहे. Later, after that, he has given a volunteer retirement and he again joined in, later he came to Bhopal, Vasudha Patrika. Patrika is a Patrika magazine and he had been editing he worked as an editor in Vasudha Patrika. Vasudha is the name of that Patrika, name of that magazine. Okay, इनकी कहानियाँ, his stories. He has written something 11 or 13 stories, I think so. And in that, सूरज कब निकलेगा, when will sun rise, आएंगे अच्छे दिन भी, good days also will come. आदमी जात का आदमी. आदमी जात, आदमी is a man, people. Okay, आदमी जात का आदमी. So जात is a community. So man community that belongs to the man, that is man, women all have a जात, that is one type of a community का आदमी. Okay, then इसमें से संधान उल्लेखनीय है. संधान is also one of his story that is known well. And इनका बीच में विनय और ईंधन उपन्यास प्रसिद्ध है. He has written also a novel. उपन्यास, उपन्यास का मतलब है novel, and he has written बीच में विनय और ईंधन. These two novels he has written and that also are very popular. Then the Puraskar, the award, Banmali Puraskar. He has won the Banmali Puraskar and Rajasthan Sahitya Academy Puraskar आदि etc. पुरस्कारों में सम्मानित किया गया है. He has been awarded with these पुरस्कार, with these awards. Then इनकी विशेषताएं क्या है, इनकी कहानी की विशेषताएं क्या है. इनकी कहानियां में सामाजिक जीवन में जाति संप्रदाय और लिंग के आधार पर हो रहे भेदभाव के खिलाफ स्वर उठाया गया है. Most of his story, he has raised his voice towards a social communications, that is a social communities, and the ling is a man and women. Okay, when man separate, man has that power, women do not have that power. Like that, he has raised his voice towards the ling also. Variations, in many places we will say a variations, we will see a variations regarding the men and the women. Women has to sit at home, man has to go for the work. We show most popularity towards the man. Okay, likewise he has given equal rights to the women also, and he has showed his differences, bhed bhav differences. Okay, so this is his short introduction. So let us go into the lesson. See, this is the first paragraph I have taken. हालदार साहब को हर 15वें दिन में कंपनी के काम के सिलसिले में उस कस्बे में गुजरना पड़ता था. हालदार साहब is a man and he is a government servant. Haldar is a rank for him. In every 15वें दिन, in every 15 days, in every 15 days, he has to cross that kasbah. Kasbah is a small city area. Kasbah is a small city area where he has to cross that area to go to his company. Okay. See, this is a kasbah. Kasbah means a small area where we can, small buildings, small buildings and small area, little people moving here and there. Okay, this is kasbah. So he has to cross this kasbah every 15 days to his company, regarding his company work. Okay, then कस्बा बहुत बड़ा नहीं था. It was not so big. The town was not so big. जिसे पक्का मकान कहा जा सके उसे कुछ ही मकान, और जिसे पक्का मकान कहा जा सके, पक्का मकान is a strong building. पक्का मकान is a strong building, which we can say a small building that is not a small. In that area, a small building is said to be as a pakka makan. Okay, see, a small buildings, that we can see as a pakka makan. We say that as a pakka makan in that area. कुछ ही मकान और जिसे बाजार कहा जा सके वैसा एक ही बाजार था. बाजार is a market. Bazaar means market, where there is only one market in that city. Then कस्बे में लड़कों का एक स्कूल, लड़कियों का एक स्कूल. There was one boys school and one girls school. One boys school and one girls school in that town. दो ओपन, एक सीमेंट का छोटा सा कारखाना. सीमेंट का छोटा सा कारखाना is a factory. कारखाना is a factory. एक सीमेंट का छोटा सा, one cement कारखाना factory was there in that town. And then दो open air cinemaghar, two open air cinema theater in that area. There were two open cinema theater in that town area. And then नगरपालिका, एक नगरपालिका भी थी. नगरपालिका, see, this is a नगरपालिका, municipal office, municipality office. There was one municipality office. Okay, नगरपालिका थी तो कुछ ना कुछ करती भी रहती थी. The नगरपालिका, the municipality will do something to that cities or area. That office will not sit simply. Sometimes doing everything good for that city, that will not be simply sitting officers, or every time they will do some work for that town area. कभी कोई सड़क पक्की करवा दी. Sometimes they do road work, they'll make a road strong, and sometimes कुछ ना कुछ कभी पक्की करवा दी, कभी कुछ पेशाब घर बनवा दिया. पेशाब घर is a toilet. Sometimes they will build some toilet to that area. Okay, then कभी कबूतरों की छतरी बनवा दी. That will make some छतरी. कबूतरों की छतरी. कबूतर is a pigeon. छतरी is a shed. Okay, they will make some shed to the कबूतर. Okay, कबूतरों का shed. कभी कोई कबूतरों के लिए छतरी बना देती थी नगर पालिका. And then कभी कवि सम्मेलन करवा दिया. कवि सम्मेलन is like an orchestra. Like an orchestra, it will arrange some orchestra to that town area where all people will come and enjoy for their entertainment. कवि सम्मेलन. Then इसी नगर पालिका के किसी उत्साही बोर्ड या प्रशासनिक अधिकारी ने एक बार शहर के मुख्य बाजार में मुख्य चौराहे पर नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की एक संगमरमर की प्रतिमा लगवा दी. In this Nagar Palika, in this municipality office, the rank, that is administrative officer, one of the administrative officer, he had assembled one Subhash Chandra Bose statue. That is, see, इसी नगर पालिका के किसी उत्साही बोर्ड या प्रशासनिक अधिकारी is a administrative officer, एक बार one time शहर के in that city मुख्य बाजार, the main market, मुख्य चौराहे, main four roads, चौराहे, चौ means four, राहे means road, चौराहे, in that main road नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की एक संगमरमर, you know संगमरमर is a shining stone, white color. Taj Mahal is also built by the Sangmarmar stones, okay, and he has built a statue, he has made a statue of Sangmarmar stone of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and he assembled that in that four roads, okay. See here, the four roads, he has assembled one statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, okay. Then from here we'll stop and we'll continue from the next two paragraph by the second part of this lesson. And see, you can see, can you see the differences in this statue? Yes. See here, there is actually no specks in this statue. So this is the main story, main content of this, going to be a main content of this story, okay. There is no specks given to the Subhash Chandra Bose in this statue. Okay. Okay, ma, dhanyavad. Dhanyavad to all, and be with me, continue with me to learn this lesson. Dhanyavad.